All right, so this is chapter 8, making habits attractive. So in the book, it describes various things that we can do in order to make our habits much more attractive. And one of the concepts that was introduced in chapter 8 is the concept of habit bundling, where you take something that you want to do and you then attach it to something that you need to do, right? And then so now you're basically you're doing the thing that you want to do, and then you're doing the thing that you need to do. So you're basically kind of giving yourself a bit of a reward, if you will. So say for instance, in this example, you want to check the score of a football game. Well, before you check the score of a football game, you might want to say to yourself, well, I need to run 2 miles, right? So I'll run the 2 miles, which is something I need to do. And then once I do that, I'll get the reward, which is check the score of the football game, right? So the question is, what are your favorite techniques to make your habits more attractive?
I can think of one is, at home, I don't do the cooking mostly, but I do the dishes.
Okay.
Sometimes I get my kids to do it, but sometimes I'll do it. And, but it's not something I enjoy doing. Right? I just have to do. So in order to get me going quicker, instead of procrastinating, is to watch a movie, like a Netflix, on my iPad. I put it at the counter, right in front of the sink, so I can just basically focus on watching, and my hands are just like cleaning and loading the dishes into the dishwasher.
Yeah.
And it's amazing because I can focus and enjoy my movie without feeling guilty. It's like I just spent 2 hours watching a movie and not doing anything.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So it's kind of like a win-win situation. I get the kitchen clean, I enjoy a movie, everybody's happy. How about you?
So one of my pain points is bookkeeping and a lot of sort of data entry, when you're running your own business, and that stuff accumulates if you don't attend to it on a regular basis, but it's painstaking. So, allowing myself to listen to a podcast. I do find that it does take me a little longer. Like, does it take you a little longer to do dishes because you're multi-focusing? But it makes the activity, which I dread, more palatable.
A little bit more enjoyable.
A little bit more enjoyable. And another thing that I tend to do, and this might not be bundling in a James Clear way, but it definitely makes a habit more attractive, is one of the habits that I'm building is becoming more organized. And the specific habit of time blocking, which is planning your day, I will add aromatherapy. So I'll have sort of a mini spa environment. I'll have my matcha tea, and I'll add some aromatherapy and maybe a little bit of ambient music. And that really sets and it allows the environmental cue and really sets the time and place. And makes it a lot more attractive and incentivizes the activity.
Yeah, all of those are really amazing and really good points. For me, trying to make it attractive, I really want. So I'll tell myself, okay, if I do this, I get to do that, right? And so one of my favorite things is to get popcorn, right? We've got this popcorn guy, and the popcorn guy is only outside from 11 to 2. So if you miss him, if you don't get it done by 11 to 2, he's gone, and he is absolutely gone. And so what I'll try to do in the morning is get up, get on my bike, and do my 5 miles or my 4 miles or whatever the exercise is going to be for the day. And I try to get that done before the popcorn guy gets busy, right? Because if you get there at 12 or 1 o'clock, the line might be 10 people, and you're gonna have to wait 45 minutes to get the popcorn. But if I get my thing done early, then I can get out there and I can meet them. So this kind of has a lot of different aspects to it, right? I'm getting up, I'm exercising, which is the thing that I need to do, and then I'm going to get popcorn, which is the thing that I want to do, but I'm also time boxing it, right? I'm saying to myself, hey, I need to do this before 11 a.m. or I need to do this before 12 a.m. because after that, people take their lunch break and the line gets really long. So so it forces me not only to do it, but it forces me to do it at a specific point in time. And that's why I really like this particular thing that I do to make this habit attractive. Hey guys, of course, we are the M3 Collective. Please don't forget to like,
comment,
and subscribe.
By doing so, you'll receive notification when we drop new videos.